Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well and feeling good. The first review video I'm going to do today is on partitioning a line segment. This is what we most recently learned on the Friday before this break. I would like you to please follow along with the video and then try out the 5 homework problems on your own. Remember that you want to do these problems on a separate sheet of paper and then take a picture of your work, and you're going to send the picture right back to the text from the remind. You must send this picture tonight to get credit. If you're having trouble doing this, you could always email me the picture of your work. Okay, let's get started. The coordinates of the endpoints of line AB are A, -6, -5, and B, 4, 0. Point P is on line AB. Determine and state the coordinates of point P such that AP to PB is in a ratio 2 to 3. So what we're trying to do here is we're going to take this line, AB, and we want to find point P that breaks up in the line in a ratio 2 to 3, so that the first part represents 2 parts and the second part represents 3 parts of the line. So P should be somewhere around there. Okay, so the first step you're going to do with every problem like this is that you're going to find the difference from A to B. So you want to figure out how you get from -6 to +4. So you can either just do this in your head, thinking how do you get from -6 to 4, or in your calculator you could do 4 minus -6. You always do the right point minus the left point. So if you do 4 minus -6, you're going to get +10, because to get from -6 to 4, you would add 10. So I'm going to put +10 here. Then to get from -5 to 0, you would add 5. So I'm going to put a +5 here. That's your difference. So again, first step, you always find the difference. After you find the difference, you're going to multiply the difference by a fraction. The fraction comes from the ratio. Because it's a ratio 2 to 3, it's breaking up this line technically into 5 parts. So the fraction is always going to be the first number in the ratio, so 2 is going to go in the numerator, divided by the sum of the 2 numbers in the ratio. So if you add those 2 numbers, 2 plus 3 is 5. So your fraction is 2 over 5. And you're going to multiply that to both of the numbers in the difference. So when you multiply 10 by 2 over 5, you're going to get +4. And when you multiply 5 by 2 over 5, you're going to get +2. So again, find the difference and then multiply by the fraction. After you multiply by the fraction, your final step is to add the first point. Our first point is -6, -5. So I'm going to add -6 to the 4, add -5 to the 2. And once you do that, that will give you your final answer. So 4 plus -6 is -2, and 2 plus -5 is -3. So that would be the coordinates of point P. And that's it. So again, just to go over the steps one more time. First, you find the difference between the 2 points. You multiply by the fraction. The fraction comes from the first number in the ratio divided by the sum of the 2 numbers in the ratio. Remember, sum means to add. Once you get those 2 numbers, you add the first point that they give you. Okay? So now you're going to try out the 5 problems on your own. Remember, you want to send these to me in a text message or in the email. Thank you.